Hello everyone, this is Pakshta Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Have a look at Olya. She is wearing a new linen pantsuit. The fabric is pretty strong, so this is not a summer outfit, even though it's made of linen. I know that some of you live in the places where it's warm throughout the whole year, so this design might be useful for you. I love this suit. The amazing jacket is of a pretty classic design. Notice that the tucks go up from the pockets. The patch pockets are lined. There are the side details instead of the side seams in this jacket. There is a vent on the back. The jacket is pretty loose. It's not too tight. There are also welts in the sleeves. Each is decorated with the 3 buttons. There are also 3 buttonholes here. All the details are doubled with the interfacing material. There are 3 buttons on the front. The shorts are absolutely amazing. I actually think that they're perfect. Not too tight or too wide, not too short or too long. They look good both with the jacket and without it. The fly front, the belt loops, the pockets. This is how they look like. There are also the stitched creases here. The shorts are lined. Now you know everything about the shorts and the jacket. Put it back on, please. Next, I'll put the jacket on the table to show you the wrong side of it. I am absolutely happy with this jacket, and so is Olya. I want to show you how these garments were made. Maybe you would find some of the details and techniques interesting. I also want to show you some other linen fabrics. We can let Olya go now. Next, we'll put the suit on the table to show you the wrong side of it. Olya, turn around, please. Very beautiful. The pantsuit is absolutely amazing. Have a look at the back. Olya, you can go now. First, I wanted to have a look at the shorts. They are made of the very strong linen fabric. The creases in the shorts are stitched. This is how they look like. Have a close look at the fly front. Next, I'm going to turn the shorts wrong side out in order to show you how they were made. The waistband is edged with the bias binding. The lining is perfect. Have a close look at the way the fly front is edged. I also wanted to have a close look at the pockets. Here they are. There is also a pocket on the back. This is the welt pocket. Here it is. This pocket is not only convenient, but it's also very beautiful. Let's have a look at the jacket next. The lining is absolutely perfect. There are the shoulder pads inserted in the shoulders. There are the welts in the sleeves. There is also a vent on the back. I remind you that there are 2 patch pockets on the front. The pockets are lined. There is also a tiny pocket on the front. It is lined as well. This is how it looks like. Due to the fact that the pockets are doubled, they are of an accurate shape. The suit is made of the high-quality, strong linen fabric. Next, I want to move the suit aside and show you the other fabrics which can be used for sewing such pantsuits. I want you to understand that you do not necessarily have to make absolutely the same pantsuit. You can change the design however you want. You do not necessarily have to make classic jackets. Think of some interesting designs and details. Let's have a look at the other fabrics. This is the fabric the suit is made of. We didn't expect it to look that good. It looks much more interesting in the garment than it looks in the roll. When I look at this fabric now, I don't see anything interesting. It's very simple. Let's have a look at the other fabrics. This has linen, silk, and viscose in its structure. This is a multicolored fabric. It would look absolutely amazing in a pantsuit, a skirt suit, a dress, or even in a simple jacket. We have this fabric in two colors. They both look absolutely amazing. They both have linen, silk, and viscose in their structure. Have a look at these amazing fabrics. They have linen and silk in their structure. The structure of fabric you're working with is very important. Pure linen fabric and linen with silk in a structure are absolutely different. This piece of fabric has pure linen in its structure. It's pretty rough to the touch. The fabrics which have silk in their structure are much softer. I know that these fabrics seem the same, but they are actually different. What I wanted to understand is that you can use these fabrics not only for making such pantsuits, but for sewing absolutely different garments. Shirts, tunic dresses, jackets, with lining or without, dresses. You can sew anything you want. Learn to use your imagination and remember that practice makes perfect. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. We are Paukšte Irina and Olya. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, press a like and the bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.